Merry Christmas, everybody. Let's get crafty. I will show you how to make Pokemon Snowflakes so fun. First, fold the paper like this several times. It's important to make perfectly even folds. Watch me. I put a small mark where I want to draw the Pokemon, then I unfold the paper to make the drawing. Today, let's make the face of the franchise. Pikachu, I choose you. Pikachu is ideal for the Christmas home. Lovely. Sorry, I know you can't see the lines. I'm not going to refilm the whole video though. Too much work. I use tough, sharp scissors to make these small cuts. Be careful, don't mess it up. The key to making a snowflake is to leave at least one point on each side of the triangle not cut, so the snowflake won't fall apart. Now you are finished. Hooray, you did a great job. I knew you could do it. Bye.